This is my secret to a perfect fried rice recipe I make at home all the time. So in my pan, I added some butter, salted butter, added little vegetable oil and fried the rice. Added some aromatic spices, ginger, garlic, turmeric powder, cardamom seed and seasoning powder. I fried it, added some more seasoning cubes, oil powder for seasoning, and stirred it continuously till it was properly fried. I added the beef stock. You can add whatever beef stock you have, either chicken, whatever protein stock you have, you can add. I added more water to loosen up the cooking process. Now, this is the best part of your fried rice. You add some scotch bonnet pepper for heat. I love my food always extra pepper. So, depending on the people you are serving, you have to consider them when cooking your food. So, the pepper isn't much. I chopped my veggies. After chopping my sweet onions, I diced some carrots into the desired shape I want. I removed and washed my bell peppers before dicing it into smaller pieces. This is a red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. I will also be using green bell peppers because it gives my fried rice a unique color and unique taste. I chopped some spring onions. What's my fried rice without spring onions? When eating, we need to consider our health and everyone around us. Added some broccoli. I love adding broccoli to my dish. It gives me that sweet. I love broccoli anyway. So my kids also love broccoli. So when I'm cooking, I always love to add broccoli because they don't like beef or meat. So they prefer to eat broccolis. Added the sweet onions, some sausages, the carrots, stirred it for a while in my pan before adding the broccoli. I stirred it for a while before adding the color bell peppers and cook it not for too long, just 2 minutes. Some sesame oil for more flavor and soy sauce. I didn't use the regular seasoning powder because of excess salt. I used the dark soy sauce. Stirred it properly till it was a little cooked, not overcooked. Added the chopped cabbage and also stirred it till it properly mixed with other veggies. Finally added my spring onions because that should be the last. And I put up the fire so that it doesn't cook too much. I don't want the veggies to be too soft so that the colors, the bright colors are still there. Added little salt, stirred it, and it's time for me to add it back into the rice. My rice is cooked properly and I'll be adding the veggies. You don't need the fire on, just off the fire and stir it properly till it's properly mixed and serve to everyone. Trust me, everyone will love this recipe if you try it. Fry your rice, give it some sweet colors, and I use my air fryer to cook my beef. After I've cooked it and seasoned it properly, I added it to the air fryer instead of frying it. I didn't want to fry it, so I added it and it's done and it's ready.